How's it going, guys? It's K Cars, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some Adams Polishes products and just explaining to you guys if I think they're actually worth the money or if I think you should go with a different brand like Jax Wax or Meguiar's or anything else like that. So I'm actually going to be going over all of the Adams Polishes products that I have and pretty much demonstrating them on this car. I'm going to be demonstrating some of them, not all of them, because I actually did wash this car a few days ago, so it's pretty clean. I'm going to be demonstrating stuff like the undercarriage spray, the waterless wash, and stuff like that. Let me go ahead and show you guys all the Adams Polishes products that I have. So the first product that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is actually the wash and wax. So it's basically whatever it says, it's a wash and wax. So with this, I use the 2-bucket method and a wash mitt. I fill one bucket with just regular clean water and the other bucket with this stuff. It says you're supposed to pour 1 to 2 ounces of this stuff directly onto the Adams wash pad, but I just pour it into the bucket and then fill it up with water and do it that way. I don't use the special Adams Polishes wash mitt because I can just go to Walmart and buy one for like half the price. You can also use the Adams Polishes detail spray to enhance gloss and stuff like that, which I actually have. I'm going to show you that next. And you can also use this product with their foam cannon, which is pretty cool. I've never used one. I just use a wash mitt. So in my opinion, this stuff really is good. Like, as you can see, the car is pretty shiny and it actually stays like that for a while. So next up, like I said, I'm going to tell you guys about the detail spray. So I just have a really tiny bottle that came with a gift card that I got a while ago. I haven't actually used this, but I'm going to show you guys how it works later on in the video whenever I demonstrate some of the products for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and read what it says on the bottle. It says, try this premium detail spray in place of your favorite quick detail product. Use in shade or direct sun, on paint, chrome, and glass. Be sure to use a clean premium microfiber towel. I'm surprised it didn't say to use their Adams Polishes microfiber towel. So yeah, I guess this is just like a quick touch-up thing. Like, you're not gonna wash the whole car with the detail spray, obviously. Next up, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the waterless wash. I really like this. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. It's only up to there. So with this stuff, it's basically for a clean car that's just a little bit dusty or stuff like that. It's not for a really dirty car. If you use this stuff on a really dirty car, you can risk scratching the paint maybe a little bit. I'm actually going to be demonstrating this product on this car. It's a little bit dusty already on the back. I'm not really sure why. I just washed it a few days ago, like I said. So I'm going to go ahead and use this and the detail spray on that just to see if there's any difference and to see which one works better. Next, I'm going to show you guys the H2O Garden Gloss. So I actually really like using this product. As you can see, most of the shine that's on the paint is, in my opinion, I think it's from this product. I said it was from the wash and wax because it also has wax in it, but I think the H2O Garden Gloss gives it more of a glossy finish. So you can either use this product directly after you wash the car on a wet surface or on a dry surface. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the wet application instructions first. So you wash the vehicle and rinse thoroughly, but do not dry. Spray a light mist over a panel to be treated. Using a damp Adams borderless gray towel, spread the product evenly over the surface. Using a second dry borderless gray towel, buff away the residue immediately. Repeat for all surfaces, paint, glass, plastic, and chrome. Apply to wheels and exhaust tips last. That's the way I use the product. I just do it right after I wash it when it's wet, and whenever you spray it on, all the water actually drips off, so that's pretty cool. You can also apply it on a dry surface. So start with a clean surface, wash and dry vehicle as needed, dampen a borderless gray towel with clean water, spray a light mist of H2O Garden Gloss into the towel. Spread evenly over the surface to be treated. Follow steps 4 to 6 from wet application above. So this stuff is pretty cool. Like I said, when you spray it on, the water actually drips straight off. So that's how it protects against like rain and other water and stuff like that. So it kind of seals the paint. The rain doesn't really mess it up or leave too many marks on it. So this stuff is pretty cool. I use it every time I wash the car. Next, I'm going to talk to you guys about the interior detailer. So I use this stuff quite often. Actually, like every time I wash the car, I also detail the interior, and I use this stuff with the microfiber towel every time. It works really well on all types of surfaces on the interior, like the dash, leather seats, and all over the doors and stuff. Next, I'm going to talk to you guys about the Eco All-Purpose Cleaner. So I use this stuff for the exhaust tips, wheels and tires, and the wheel wells. It works really well for that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the tires right now and show you guys that they are pretty clean. So there you can see the tires. They are pretty clean. They're not perfect because, you know, they're just tires. So they're gonna get dirty the next time I drive. As you can see, the wheels and tires are pretty clean from the Eco all-purpose cleaner. I know Adams Polishes does have a separate product for like wheels and tires and everything else, but if I can use one product for like 4 things, then I'm gonna do that and save the money, because this stuff isn't really that cheap, so it goes pretty quick. So that's why I just like using the Eco all-purpose cleaner for the wheels, tires, wheel wells, and the exhaust tips. Next is the undercarriage spray. You put this on the wheel wells, but you only want to use these on black wheel wells, not painted ones or anything else, because this stuff is supposed to turn them completely black and make them look really clean. It actually works really well, so this is another product that I'm going to demonstrate in this video if you want to see that. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate some of the products like I said on this car. Alright guys, so the first product that I'm going to demonstrate is the undercarriage spray. Like I said, all you do with this is you spray it in the wheel well after you wash the car, and you want to make sure that it's completely dry. So pretty much what you want to do is, in the instructions it said spray a liberal amount, so that's what I'm going to do. I actually don't use this product too much. As you can see, it's only halfway used, because you really do need to use a lot of this product, and it's really not cheap like I said with all the rest of the products. So that's why I try not to use this stuff too much. So let's go ahead and get started. You're supposed to let it dry after you've sprayed it. And it actually does smell pretty good. It smells like grape, so that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so next I'm actually going to go ahead and demonstrate the waterless wash. Not sure if you guys can completely see this, but right over here I was using the undercarriage spray and a little bit of it got on the paint, so I'm going to go ahead and use the waterless wash to go ahead and wash that stuff off. So for the waterless wash, I'm just going to use this microfiber towel, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of the waterless wash onto it. Just like that. Then I'm just going to rub it over the surface. That's basically all you have to do. Then I'm going to get a dry section of the microfiber, just go over it and dry it. That's all you have to do. And as you can see, all the spots are gone. It's really smooth now, so this stuff works really well. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the detail spray in this tiny bottle. I'm going to use it the same way that I did the waterless wash, except for the detail spray. I'm going to go over some of the areas here that are just kind of dusty and see how it works. Not sure how well this shows up on camera, but right there is all the dust that I'm going to try to get off. Alright, so this is my first time actually using this detail spray, so what I'm going to do is just spray a little bit on the microfiber towel and then just wipe it off. Spray a little bit more on there. Right, let's see how it works. It's working pretty well, not really leaving that many streaks. And I'm just going to dry it off with the dry side of the microfiber. And this stuff actually smells pretty good too. That's what I like about Adams Polishes, is that they all have a smell to them. And like a nice smell, not just like a chemical smell, if you know what I'm talking about. So here's the clean side that I just cleaned, and then you can see all the dust that came off, and you can still see some dust over here. I didn't clean this part obviously, so there you can see a difference. This side's really shiny. This side's pretty shiny too, but you can just see all the dust on there. So I'm pretty sure the detail spray is like the most popular product from Adams Polishes, and I can see why. It actually, you can use it as a waterless wash too, I guess, because it worked really well for removing the dust, and that's pretty much what the waterless wash is for. It's just to wash a clean car that isn't completely dirty, but you just want to make it shiny and make it look like you just washed it. You can probably do that with the detail spray too. Now let's talk about why you guys actually clicked on this video. Do I think Adams Polishes products are actually worth the money and just worth everything. So in my opinion, I would say they are worth it. Even though they are pretty expensive, they do a really great job. And they literally have the instructions on the bottle. I know a lot of other products have that too. What I really like about Adamas polishes is that they write what it's for on the bottle. I know obviously other companies do that too, but I feel like Adamas polishes just makes it more obvious. Like for the wheel cleaner, it just says wheel cleaner on there, or tire cleaner, or anything else like that. So that's what I like about Adamas polishes. I also like the huge variety of products that they have on their website. The only thing I don't like about Adamas polishes is that they're really pricey, and it really just comes down to your own personal opinion. You just have to try out a lot of different companies like Meguiar's, Jack's Wax, and obviously Adamas polishes, and just see which one you like better. I've decided to stick with Adamas polishes just because I love the way they work. They're not that much better than Meguiar's, but I just noticed a little better quality with the Adamas polishes than with the Meguiar's. That's basically it for the video, guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, because I have a whole bunch of car content coming up. I actually have ZL1 add-ons, rock guards, and diffusers that I'm going to be installing on this car. And I'm going to be posting a video tutorial on the installations of those products, so definitely subscribe if you want to see those videos. I know this video wasn't the best, but I just wanted to show you guys some cleaning products that I use and my opinion and how to use them. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.